Welcome back to my channel, guys. Guess what TV, where we keep you guessing. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you'll never miss a video when I post. In today's video, I will unbox a Shhh mouse. This is a silent mouse. No more annoying or distracting click sounds. This mouse has 3-speed switchable sensors. How fast do you want it? It's up to you. This mouse has a anti-slip scroller, right ultra silent button, left ultra silent left button, page up and page down, DPI switch. Comes with a tiny USB receiver, 1 AA battery, optical sensor, durable and smooth gliding for your comfort. The link for this product can be found in the description below. Feel free to click the link. While other computer mouse alternatives produce loud and distracting sounds, our flaunts ultra quiet operations. This mouse packs the same satisfying click feel, minus 90% of the noise, letting you accomplish tasks effectively without distracting anyone. Why not grab one of these mouses on Amazon? Thank you so much for watching. Peace. I'm out.